In this video, we will show you how to install the power chassis for Rokuhan Z Shorty models. Rokuhan Z Shorty has two types of power chassis, the normal type and the Shinkansen type. Except for ST015-1 and ST015-2, all non-Shinkansen models use the SA001-1 power chassis normal type. Shinkansen models use the SA002-1 power chassis Shinkansen type. For a one-car Z Shorty model, use SA001-1 power chassis normal type. This applies to all models except ST015-1 and ST015-2. For a two-car train, the front car uses SA001-1 power chassis normal type. The rear car uses SA003-1 trailer chassis normal type. For three-car normal models, the middle car uses SA001-1 power chassis normal type. The front and rear cars use SA003-1 trailer chassis normal type. In total, 2 trailer chassis are required. For three-car Shinkansen models, the middle car uses SA002-1 power chassis Shinkansen type. The front and rear cars use SA004-1 trailer chassis Shinkansen type. In total, 2 trailer chassis are required. The compatible chassis for each model are explained at the end of this video and in the description section. Please check there for more details. Let's see how we can install the chassis step by step. First, remove the included dummy chassis from the body. Next, prepare the compatible chassis for the model. Then, attach the other parts to the chassis, such as the bumper if there are any. Finally, install the body onto the chassis. Now, the installation is complete and your model is ready to run.